One of the most popular topics of conversation surrounding the new Mosaic Stadium is the roof. Its innovative design has multiple purposes.
The roof is designed to deflect wind, to lower the wind speed in the bowl, but it's also we also have some louvers that basically surround the entire structure. The intent there is that on a hot day, when heat is caught inside the stadium, those louvers can be opened, and it catches the breeze outside the stadium. It usually gets pushed up along the underside of the stadium, and it pulls the hot air out with it. So we can actually help to regulate the temperature inside the stadium on a hot summer day. The theory is also by shutting them in the winter months, you will retain the heat that's produced by people sitting in there, and so it can actually increase the temperature in theory, and by computer modeling, it can increase the temperature anywhere from 2 to 5 degrees as well. So it's an innovative piece that sort of captures sort of the heat and cool that we do experience in our province.
Another big change from the old stadium is the new LED lighting.
It was a big improvement for us, and given our history over at Old Mosaic, where we had a number of power failures that lasted way too long. This is a very efficient system and a good opportunity for us. As I mentioned earlier, fewer fixtures, probably 2/3 of fixtures than we had at the Old Mosaic. I think they're estimated to have a 25-year life cycle, and when they're on full bore, my understanding is it's about a $60 an hour charge. So a very efficient light system, and as you mentioned, the ability to turn instant on, instant off gives us a lot of opportunities for doing more unique things during games. We can set the lights 100% for a Rider game, hit a button, turn down 75% for a U of R Rams game, turn it down for a high school game or adult football later in the evening, and down to 25% for a cleanup crew. We can break them down into 7 banks on either side of the stadium, and we could take it down to a further level if we needed to as well.
Thank you for joining us for our Innovation Spotlight. Sask Inc. would love to talk to you and your team about how to incorporate innovation into your business.